How to add a background image. To get started, I added some clips and text to my timeline and changed their scale and position, and I want to change background from black to the picture that I want. Just move all the tracks in your timeline to one track higher. Now drag your image from Project Panel into your first track and set its length so it matches the whole clips. You can also change the black color to another color of your choice instead of using a picture. To do that, remove the picture from Timeline. Then right-click in your Project Panel and select New Item, Color Matte. The defaults should match your sequence, and is OK. Select a color of your choice and set a name for it, and click OK. Now drag the color matte into your first track and change its length so it matches the length of your clips. One final note is that you can change the color matte color by double-clicking on it at any time you want. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.